Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Data Analytics with Divya. In this video, let's discuss about the concept called SQL commands. SQL commands are divided into 5 types, that is DDL, DML, DCL, TCL and DQL. DDL stands for Data Definition Language, DML in the sense Data Manipulation Language, DCL in the sense Data Control Language, and TCL is Transaction Control Language, and DQL is Data Query Language. Now let's see each one of them detailing. First one is DDL. As I said, DDL stands for Data Definition Language. Basically, DDL talks about structure of the data. The commands in DDL are create, alter, drop and truncate. Now let's see how we will work with each of these commands. First one is create. Create is used to create the table in the database. In one of my previous video, I already discussed about how to create table, right? If you didn't saw that video, I'm placing the link in the description box, and you can also find the link in the top right corner of your screen in the icons. Please have a look. Now coming back to create command. By using create command, we can create a new table in the database. Syntax of create command is, while creating tables, we need to define column names as well. And for every column name, we need to define data type and size to store the data. That's why the syntax will goes like this. Create table, table name, column name 1, data type of size, column name 2, data type of size, and so on. Now let's see an example. For suppose we want to create employees table, syntax will be like create table employees, and inside employee table we will define column names like employee ID with integer data type. Int is the data type of employee ID because we store numerical data in employee ID column, right? So next one is ename is the column name and char of 20 is the data type. And for every character data, we need to mention size. Okay. And next is salary with float data type. So this is how we will use create command. Next, we have alter command. We have 4 use cases in alter command. That is, we can use alter command in 4 ways. First use case is, if we want to add new column in the existing table, we will use alter command. And the syntax for that is alter table, table name, add column name, data type of size. Suppose in above employees table, if you want to add department ID column, the syntax will be like alter table employees, add department ID integer. Here we use add keyword, and this is how we can add a new column in the existing database by using alter. The second use case is remove column from the table. If we want to remove any existing column from the table, we will use alter command. And the syntax is alter table, table name, drop column, column name. Here we use drop keyword inside alter to remove column. Okay. For example, if you want to remove above added column, that is department ID, the syntax will be like alter table employees, drop column department ID. Okay. Then the department ID column will be removed. And the third use case is changing data type of column. That is, if you want to change data type of the existing column, we will use alter command. And the syntax will be alter table, table name, modify column, column name, new data type of size. Here we will use modify keyword, and directly after the column name we will mention the new data type or new size which we are going to change. For example, in employees table, we have employee name with char data type, right? If I want to change char data type to varchar, we use alter command along with the modify keyword. This is the example. Alter table employees, modify column, employee name, varchar of 20. Here instead of char, I changed the data type to varchar. This is how we can change data types of the column by using alter. And the last use case of alter command is, if we want to rename column name, we will use alter. And the syntax is alter table, table name, rename old column name to new column name. And the example is alter table employees, We have employee ID column, right, in the employees table. If I want to rename the employee ID column to EID, I can use like this: alter table employees, rename employee ID to EID. Now the column name will be changed. And in MySQL only, to rename the column, we will use alter command. In SQL Server, the process will be different. Okay. So this is how we will deal with alter command. As I said, we have 4 use cases. That is, if we want to add any new column to the existing table, or if we want to remove any column from the table, or if we want to change the data type or size of the column, or if we want to rename the column, we will use alter command only. Now next command is drop. If we want to remove any table from the database, we use drop command. By using drop command, entire table along with the data will be removed. And the syntax of the drop command is drop table table name. That's it. So for example, if we want to remove any table, suppose if we have a table name called as orders, we will write it as drop table orders. By executing this query, the orders table will be removed completely from the database. And the next command is truncate. Truncate will delete complete data from the table, but structure will remain same. That is, data will be removed, but table structure, that is, column names will remain as it is. Suppose in some scenarios, we want to delete complete data from the table, but we want same column names. So instead of removing complete table and creating the table once again, we can simply use truncate command. Syntax will be truncate table table name. Here, if I use truncate to the employee table, the example, the syntax will be truncate table employees. Okay, then the output will be like this. We will get the output in this format. That is, the data will be removed, but the structure in the sense column names will remain as it is. And if there are tables in which the foreign keys are there, first we need to truncate the dependent table, then we need to use truncate for primary table, or else we will get error. So this is all about DDL commands. All these commands talks about structure of the table or design of the table. Okay. So that's it for today's video. In our next video, we will see remaining commands. Okay. So please stay tuned to my channel, and for more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.